So what good, YouTube, man? There's a big car show going on. I guess it's big. Elise says a car show going on today. Saturday morning. Just got to brush up the car, you know what I'm saying, get a little wipe on it. I don't know if you guys saw the last video or not. So you saw my new car, what's going on here. It ain't even no car, but he might well say it's a new car. Because Joker done got the works on it. So hey, ding ding down, boom boom. We finna head on down there. Finna go pick her up first, go back to the house, pick her up. Then we gonna head on down to the goddamn car show. I done had this car about 8 months now, somewhere around there. And I had to put it to work real quick, alright? So if you've been rocking with me since I done got this Joker, or since day one, buddy, I appreciate that, man. Let's take a look at it. So in the front, I got going on was the LED strips on the front. 2 of them, super freaking bright. Got pulled over last night, no, day before last night, somewhere around there. Night before, got the LED bulbs in there. Got the mesh grill, complete metal. Got the splitter down here, splitter with the chrome blue cooks on there. I ain't gonna go through everything. That's the big stuff. Got the 20 by 9.5 Hellcat 2 rims on the front with the little tire letters on there to say Quad 300 with my YouTube on there. I'm Montreal YT. Just small stuff, just small little things to make the thing pop out. Same thing, I also got the blue lugs in there too. Blue chrome lugs, same with the valve stem. With the Joker in the inside right here with the cards. Yellow and blue, cause my car yellow and blue. Yellow brake calipers. I got the Hellcat spoiler. The Hellcat spoiler right there. Wrapped trunk on the top. Wrapped Hellcat spoiler. The wicker bill to the Hellcat spoiler. Wrapped chrome Chrysler logo. So they got the quads coming out with the exhaust. They got that coming. Aftermarket tail lights with the LEDs in the inside. YouTube on the top, of course. Carbon fiber door handles, visors, wrapped hood, of course. Dodge 2-cylinder in the front. And I think that's about it, man. Just a little run around real quick, yo. Just in case y'all guys, if you're new to the channel, this is a Chrysler 300 right here. Let me know in the description what you guys take, man. I've been working on it. I'm gonna tell you that much now. I've been working on it. I mean, it's looking alright, huh? It's looking alright. It's looking okay. I got a lot of things to do, man. A lot more things to do, man. I got the remote starts. I got dang hood scoops coming, stripes. I gotta keep going, man. Let's get this goddamn air going. Cut that on. Let me feel that because, man, it's 85 degrees out here. Feel like it's at least 95 degrees, man. We're gonna hit up this car show, man. So whenever the next clip, that will be the car show. So we just made it to the car show. There go my baby once again right there. And my #1 baby right here. This is always gonna be my #1 baby right here, right? No matter what, that's my #1 baby. She go before all of my good goddamn toys right here, all right, man? Plain and simple. Beautiful and beautiful in kindness. Psych. Let's go, baby. Just want you know, you looking so good right now. Your face is like brought out. But look at that goddamn Z. This is a 25-1. God dang, performance 25-1. Look at that bad boy right there. Oh, look, he got yellow brake calipers too. See the yellow brake calipers? I'm gonna clean right there, dude. Yeah, dang. I'm gonna clean right there too, though. What y'all think? Do I got him or not, man? El Camino is a freaking beauty, though. God. But they don't love this. They don't love this right here. Yeah. That joke is super old. God. I know a lot about cars, but I don't know what this is. That joker is crazy. I know they didn't have this joker, man. They didn't have this joker for so long. They had this joker so goddamn long. Yeah. This joker is crazy. That's a beauty right there. cars you don't think that still exist. And out like that. God dang. That goddamn intake, that blue intake is beautiful. Dang how they had custom built it. Another goddamn beauty right here. God dang, look at that paint job. That paint job is beautiful. Look at that goddamn. That is just too clean under there, man. That sounds like I got the little eyeballs on there. Oh, look, they're just too beautiful. Inside, oh, the inside clean as all get out. Ooh, that's snug though, ain't it? Which one, the chrome and black? Why the second one, not the first one? They basically the same goddamn car. They got the same rims on it too. That's a Z06 right there. That's a Z06. What this is? That's a Z06 right there though. They definitely had these vets out here, but look at them vet engines though. Them vet engines crazy. I know. This one here's an older model. Dang, this mug is clean, ain't it, man? Yeah. All yellow inside. All yellow. Intake. Oh, look at that right there. The back part of it. That's just too nice. Super goddamn vicious. I like it. Look, that is vicious. Oh, that inside lit. Got the flags on there. Got the Brembo decal on there. Right there, 5. Oh, eh. Rain. I know this joke is loud. You see that like that? Yeah. That just look too good on there. It's just too good on there.
What? I guess the it's free.
This more. It is bitty. Ooh, that mug is small.
It's been a long project, actually. 5 years worth. Had to have a whole lot of stuff custom.
That's what I'm talking about, Dodge gang. Look at that goddamn Hellcat though. They got the tire letters on these. That joke is clean though, ain't it? That joke right here is clean. Yeah. Look at this joke. This joke is completely, oh my god, snake. It's completely customized. This joke is completely customized. They got snake and bumblebees though. Brown thing is Brandon calling. Yo.
Hey, what part of the car show you at?
Oh, part of nothing. God dang, Hellcat on the city. Well, make sure I can't drop this camera with. Supercharged. It's one thing to pay for this car. It's another. He didn't see me. You know what I'm saying? It's one thing to pay for this car. Hey. It's one thing to pay for this car. But it's another thing to put designs and everything to it, man. Like, yeah. That is just insane. He got his cooks on there. What's on, boy? Got the dead man in there and everything. Ain't that motherfucker sick? That motherfucker sick, boy. Look at that motherfucker. That goddamn stripe is crazy. White stripes. Got the hell mother freaking cat, boy. God. Woo! Look at the goddamn big old Hellcat on that seat. God. Dang, Brando. Oh, he got them goddamn bags in the back, man. Custom. Look at that. Yeah. Man. Look at that goddamn custom tag, man. It say ranking. Come on, man. It don't look legal down here. Woo, shoot. That don't even look legal. That paint job right there is flawless. Yeah. Them goddamn rims is always legendary. Always mandatory. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's beautiful.
It smells nice. I like the cup holders. Is that like?
That's something you probably put in there. That is beautiful. Man, that is beautiful. That red top. Number one. And the number 2 is good. Looks like it's crazy. What if that dude made Brandon drop all his food? What if he made you drop all your food? What if he made you drop all your food when he done that? Oh. Oh, guys. How you doing? You doing all right? Yes, sir. This is crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. This thing is crazy. This thing is super crazy. So it's the next day. There was a small little car show, man. Wasn't too big. The SOT Hellcat was looking nice. Had a beautiful goddamn classics out there. And that's a goddamn plus in my goddamn book, you know what I'm saying? A little bit is good. You ain't gotta have a whole lot for me. I'm about to check out here, man. You gotta be easy, man. Take a look at the baby one more time. And we're gonna be easy. We're gonna keep it rolling. We're gonna stay clean. But look at it one more time. Yes, sir. Boom, boom. Dang, hard work pays off, man. I got pulled over so many times already. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. But you guys be easy, man. Take a like, leave a like, subscribe, little man. See you guys the next time. Oh, and always, show your goddamn boy, man. Probably can't see it anyway, but man, let's say I'm Montreal, man. Keep it locked down. Keep it going, man. Yeah, man. One more time. Leave a like me. And one more time. Leave a like me. One more time, man. Leave a like if you like me, subscribe if you love me, and I will see you guys in the next one. You guys be easy, man. A lot of things is beautiful out here, man.
I just wanna know what it